Hello guys, it's me Asaya, and today I'm showing you guys how to draw a mushroom because it seems like some of you guys don't know how to draw a mushroom. A mushroom. Yeah. So anyway, we make a round shaped curve in something like this. But obviously you're gonna neaten it up a bit. But you know, I'm gonna make it even more easy. I'm gonna leave mine a little rough. Then we're going to do this, just the pencil, a little graduate, slightly like that. You see that, guys? You see that? You can also fix that part up a little bit. But I'm not going to focus on that part too much. Now from over here, we're going to go down, down. And we're going to do a little circle bubble right here. And that is just for the little out bit of the mushroom. See, we're kind of following that circle line. See, like that. Now I'm going to rub that piece out and this piece out and watch what we get. Now we got a simple mushroom, but come on guys, that is like bulk boring. We want something a bit more fancy, something that says, look at me, I'm a mushroom. So now I'm going to randomly put this big hula hoop line right over here. And then do you know what I'm going to do with this? I'm going to erase that and bring this up right over here. Can you see what we just did right there? Can you see that illusion? Can you see it, guys? Or are you guys just still blind? I mean, some of you guys won't see it, of course, because I don't know what's going on with your eyes. But yeah, I can see it. Or I'll just erase it so some of the blind ones can see it. Here we go. Can you see it now? Can you see it now? Can you see what I just did? Yeah, that's what I did. Now I'm going to slowly start putting a little bit of strands right over here. Like this. Just give it a mushroom look. Yeah. And of course we're going to do some little dots. Just round it like that. Just like any sort of dot you like, even like cow little patterns. I like to do like that. Can you see what I'm coming with? Just round off anything, guys. Anything. It's not that hard. I hate when people are like, drawing is so difficult. Like, no, it's not. Flick of a wrist, you're making creation. Look at that, guys. And then do you know what you do over here just to finish off the picture? Flick like that, like that, like that. One little bottom like that. That's your grass, guys. Come on now, look at that. Look how good that mushroom looks. Oh, here I added more detail when like no one was looking because I guess I just like to do it. Yeah, I use alcohol markers for this, a hoo-hoo. And there we have a mushroom. Please like and subscribe. Bye!